Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Ablokan IAS. Today we are going to discuss one more question which is asked in CSAT 2024 and it belongs to the topic numbers and specifically it belongs to the divisibility. Okay, so the question is 32 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 27 is divisible by. The question is very small yet it is very tricky. So first of all 32, as soon as you see this 32 you should write it as 2 to the power 5 and these few numbers at least you should be remembered of, like 4 is 2 to the power 2 to the power 2, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. These are all 2 to the powers in increasing order. Okay, so we are going to write it as 2 to the power 5 to the whole power 5 plus 2 to the power 27. Now whenever there are two powers and there's a bracket in between, they are basically multiplied. So this will become 2 to the power 25 plus 2 to the power 27. अब इसमें हमें साफ साफ दिख रहा है इन दोनों में कुछ कॉमन है. कॉमन क्या है? 2 to the power 25, ये कॉमन है. So we'll take 2 to the power 25 as common. This will become 1 plus और ये बन जाएगा 2 to the power 2. So this can be said as 2 to the power 25, 1 plus 4 और ये आ जाएगा आपका 2 to the power 25 into 5. अब देखो 5, see the 5 is not there in the option. So 5 किसका मल्टीपल है? 10 का. बट 10 कैसे आएगा? तो देखो 2 की पावर 25 तो यहाँ है ना, इसमें से एक 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे. So what it will become? It will become 2 to the power 24 into 2 into 5. तो इन दोनों को मिला के क्या बन जाएगा? 2 to the power 24 into 10. So 10 is my answer. सिंपल था बट ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है और ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं एग्जाम टाइम पे. ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो सकते हैं बट इफ यू हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड इट बिफोर then you will be able to do it. So let's move on to the next practice question. It is also the similar type of question. So let's look at it. So the question is 16 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 10 is divisible by which of these numbers? I hope you all will try and you can get the solution of this on our Telegram channel. This is our link and you will get the PDF there. Okay, thank you.